Good afternoon. Here with ITM MSTAT on Euro USD. Predicted direction here is long. We're looking at a sharp bounce off of the middle crossover EMAs. Standard setup. We can wait till price breaches right back in, but since the crossover EMAs are still aligned in the long direction, we are in a fairly high probability safe situation here. So we'll go for a $1,000 trade on the Euro USD for an 85% payout to expire at 12:45, just under 30 minutes from now. Just going to zoom in on the chart here to get a better view. And we have entered the trade, so we'll come back to you just before or at expiry. All right, back again, roughly 24 seconds remaining on this trade here, as you can see, with a brief stint under entry, which was just retracement just at that middle crossover zone. The trade broke back into the long zone as was predicted in advance by ITM MSTAT to get into the money and stay in the money. We're just due to expire here in a few seconds. And the simplicity of ITM MSTAT really helps in these situations, because were you to use crossover EMAs on their own, you have a very large number of false signals, and that is a huge impediment to standard equity growth using this strategy. Whereas with ITM MSTAT, that is taking data from across 7 time frames, the 1 minute through to the daily time frame, aggregating it, passing it through to its own proprietary algorithm, and then coming up with a decision on whether a long or short opportunity is advised given the market's situation at the moment. That gives you a huge edge in using envelopes and middle crossover EMAs. You can then embark on a safer, higher probability scenario than you would otherwise without having ITM MSTAT in the picture. And such trades are very common to see when using ITM MSTAT in conjunction with envelopes and middle crossover EMAs. So we've now expired in the money here for an $850 net return using a $1,000 investment, where the gross return was $1,850. And that is essentially how you use ITM MSTAT to your advantage in your trading. Thank you.